Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about some incredible high-value folding knives from Civivi, now available at KnifeCenter.com. Civivi is an entirely new line from We Knife Company, aimed at offering more competitively priced knives to their customers while still delivering the excellent quality that everyone has come to expect. They've got that same look and feel, and they didn't spare any attention to detail while getting these knives down to the lower price points. The knives themselves feature 9CR18 MOV steel, which offers respectable edge retention while still being fairly easy to sharpen once the blades do need a little TLC. They also offer a variety of colored G10 handle scales and backspacers for lightweight carry and secure grip. Throw in stainless bearings for snappy action and color-accented liner locks, and you have a recipe for a reliable and stylish EDC at an unbeatable price. Included in the line are knives like the Praxis, which features a 3.75-inch drop point blade with a nice wide profile. It's an excellent slicer thanks to its flat grind and a full-length swedge, and the opening action is authoritative. The finger grooves and integrated flipper tab really lock the knife into the hand, and the reversible deep carry pocket clip keeps the knife in a tip-up position for rapid deployment. Next up is the Backlash, a more tactical model rocking a sleek 3.5-inch drop point blade with a hollow grind and heavy jimping on the thumb ramp. It allows you to really put some muscle into your cuts. The opening action is super smooth with the same sure lockup as the Praxis. The curved handle allows it to fit comfortably in your hand, and it also features a reversible pocket clip, making it easy for anyone to carry. Finally, we have the Naha. Its 3.75-inch elliptical drop point blade feels like a shoe-in for outdoor cutting tasks, thanks to a flat grind and a full belly for skinning. The flowing handle shape with its checkered texture helps keep the knife secure in your hand, but it still maintains a comfortable grip when performing hard work out in the field or during everyday tasks. The Naha flips and locks up just as well as the other Civivi knives, but the pocket clip is right side tip-up only. Sorry, lefties. When it comes to performance on a budget, it's hard to beat what these Civivi knives have to offer, and we are really excited to be carrying them at KnifeCenter.com. If you want to get your hands on one, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.